Okay, came back here with the finished video of the baked chicken strips, chicken breast strips right here with bay leaf, artichokes, garlic, soul food seasoned, black pepper, poultry season. That's my baked chicken strips right there. Ooh, that's hot. That lid. And this is the cabbage right here for the side. And it is a little pasta, not that much, for the side also. Show you what's left over here. Let me put that back like it go. And one fried pork chop, and then I'm gonna come back with the other video with the fried chicken strips and some shrimp. Love you guys. As always, the Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. That is the chicken breast right there. The Lord be before me. Who can be against me? Just showing you what I had going on for Monday with all those flavors. On the chicken breast. And you can see the seasoning. Love you guys. Happy Monday. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, and water and some chicken broth also in there too. Bye bye. Love you guys.